Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Physics module. Hope you all are doing well. So this video is going to be very special for the students of ICSE board who are appearing for their class 10th board exam in 2022 and as well as IC exam in the next year. As we all know, last 5th July CBSE has announced that their exam pattern is going to be changed by a lot, and I have made this video on this particular notice. The link of that video is given in the description box. You can click on that link and watch that video. আর আমরা এই ভিডিওতে ডিসকাশন করব যে আইএসসি অ্যান্ড আইসিএসসি ফর দ্য ইয়ার 2022 এর জন্য কি রিডাকশন হয়েছে সিলেবাসে। And before that, make sure you have subscribed to my channel for such kind of latest updates and query related video on the subject physics. So let's have a look that কি রিডাকশন হয়েছে আইসিএসসি অ্যান্ড আইএসসি সিলেবাসে। So ICSE board has published a notice yesterday on their official website regarding the reduction in the syllabus for the students of 10th and 12th board exam in the year 2022. As we all know, last 2nd July te ICSE board English language and Indian languages er syllabus reduction er notice publish korechilo. For now, this reduction in the other subjects also was very much expected. Class 10th এর জন্য almost 15 সাবজেক্টসে সাবজেক্ট সিলেবাস রিডাকশন হয়েছে, and for the class 12th there is subject syllabus reduction in 12 subjects. So I am here going to explain the reduced syllabus for the subject physics only. So let's start. First of all, the paper will be of 80 marks, okay, and allotted time is 2 hours. And the paper will be divided into two sections, that is section 1 and section 2, each carrying 40 marks, okay. The section 1 is compulsory section, and in the section 2 you have 6 questions, among which you have to answer for 4 questions having 10 marks each, okay. Now come to the modules. There is 6 modules on which you have to study for the subject physics. The first module is force, work, power, energy, in which you are going to learn turning effect of force concept, uniform circular motion, work, energy, power and their relations, their types of energy, different types of energy actually, machines and pulley system, that is lever and pulley for rigid pulley and moving pulley, okay. Next is light. In light you are going to study refraction and refraction through glass blocks and triangular prisms. Next is TIR, that is total internal reflection and critical angle methods, okay, in which you are going to study the applications, the uses and the some of their critical angle related numericals. Next, lenses, that is converging and diverging lenses and the ray diagrams relating to the lenses, okay. Next is spectrum from white light. This much you are going to read in light. Next module is sound. In sound you are going to read reflection, echoes, sonar and their related problems. Next is vibrations and resonance. Vibration এর মধ্যে natural, damped and forced vibrations তোমাদের জানতে হবে. And the last is loudness, pitch and quality of the sound, okay. Now the fourth module, that is electricity and magnetism. Ohm's law, EMF, potential difference and resistance and their related problems of series and parallel resistance combinations, electrical power and energy, their measurements and problems, household circuits এ তোমাদের সেফটি মেজার্স শেখানো হবে and color codings শেখানো হবে, ম্যাগনেটিক এফেক্টের কানেক্টেড থাকবে, তার মধ্যে ওরস্টেড এক্সপেরিমেন্ট থাকবে, ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড কি থাকবে, ফ্লেমিংস রাইট হ্যান্ড লেফট হ্যান্ড রুলস থাকবে, ডিরেকশন অফ কারেন্ট ইন আ লুপ বের করার প্রবলেমস থাকবে and simple problems relating Lenz's law and AC and DC concept. AC means alternating current and direct current এর concept, okay. Next is heat. Heat এ থাকবে তোমাদের calorimetry and H equals to MST, C equals to Q by del T, this problem related কিছু numericals থাকবে, দেন থাকবে কনসেপ্ট অফ ল্যাটেন্ট হিট, দ্যাট ইজ ল্যাটেন্ট হিট অফ ইভাপোরেশন, ল্যাটেন্ট হিট অফ ফিউশন, সেগুলোর উপরে কনসেপ্ট থাকবে, চেঞ্জ অফ ফেজ থাকবে, অ্যান্ড দের রিলেটেড নিউমেরিক্যালস থাকবে, শর্ট ওয়ান্স। অ্যান্ড নেক্সট দ্য লাস্ট মডিউল ইজ modern physics, in which you are going to study radioactivity, alpha, beta, gamma radiations and their properties. And next is radioisotopes related their effects and use on human being and nature. Okay, this much you are going to read in class 10th physics syllabus. And one more thing is there will be 20 marks of internal assessment in practical work also. ওকে, যার মধ্যে ইন্টারনাল টিচারের আন্ডারে থাকবে 10 মার্কস অ্যান্ড এক্সটার্নাল টিচার আন্ডারে থাকবে রেস্ট অফ দ্য 10 মার্কস। ওকে, অ্যান্ড ফর আইসিএসসি স্টুডেন্টস দেয়ার ইজ অলসো অ্যান আপডেট রিগার্ডিং সাবজেক্ট রিডাকশন ইনক্লুডিং অ্যাকাউন্টস, কমার্স, সোশিওলজি, physiology, biotech, AVS, etc. But no such update till now regarding the reduction in syllabus of science subjects. As soon as any update comes regarding the science subject syllabus reduction of ISC, I will provide you that information through my channel Physics Module. For that, you have to subscribe my channel and don't forget to share this video among your friends and families so that they can know about the syllabus reduction process applied by ICSC. So next time খুব তাড়াতাড়ি দেখা হবে। তোমরা ভালো করে পড়াশোনা করো, আমি আমার নতুন ভিডিও নিয়ে তোমাদের কাছে আবার আসবো। Till then, goodbye, stay safe.